Good morning, brothers and sisters. On behalf of the Christian Coalition, I wish to commend His Excellency the President, Mr. Edgar Chagwa Lungu, for the very first time, the preparation, the organization in memory of the able leadership of His Excellency Dr. Frederick Chiluba has been done excellent, ensuring that every Zambian participate in this important lecture meant to reflect on the leadership that President Chiluba provided to the Zambian people. I wish also to commend His Excellency President Rupia Banda for the lecture. I followed his lecture and that of Dr. Veron Mwanga and other leaders that presented lectures in memory of this great man, a great son of the soil. The coalition wished to press on record that Zambia must have learned a lesson, that as people we have a duty to support and protect our leaders. We have a responsibility in the midst of challenges, difficulties, and misunderstanding. We have a challenge to protect our leaders. Zambia learned a very bitter lesson that we neglected President Chiluba at the time that he needed us. I want to recognize that even during the time of his difficulties, Ambassador Emmanuel Mwamba showed leadership, showed support and comfort. He was a person that spoke on behalf of President Chiluba in time of difficulties. Apostle Christopher Kunda, you stood with a man, Bishop, my bishop from Bigoga, Njov, you stood with a man. May God bless you and may God keep you. As a country, we owe that man an apology. We owe Chiluba's family an apology as a nation. You all remember that Chiluba was accused of stealing $41 million. President Mwanawasa set up a task force that President Chiluba stole this and stole that, amounting to $41 million. Cases were all over. Judge Smith and his team in London and all that will remember. No one stood. No traditional leader stood. No bishop or pastor or apostle stood apart from the few that I've mentioned. No friends. Many of you remember that State House was opened for pastors during President Chiluba's administration, but we never stood with him. Some of the people today, they have biggest church that participated, that benefited in the goodwill of President Chiluba. We never stood when he was accused. Even at the time when President Mwanawasa offered an olive branch to say, if you bring half of what you have stolen, then I will drop the case. Chiluba says, I don't know what you are talking about. Zambians, you remember that the amount drastically dropped from $41 million to $500,000. And no one questioned how this amount has drastically dropped, which means that even at the time of arrest, the state was moved by impasse, by wrong information given by people who are hate and propagandas. And Zambia should never repeat that which we did to President Chiluba. I am glad that President Lungu and the team, they believe in respecting and recognizing leaders who offered themselves to govern our great nation. It is for this reason that the Christian Coalition wish to commend the Patriot Front under the able leadership of President Lungu, because you have shown us that you believe in honoring leaders and trusting that these leaders, they provided service when they were given an opportunity to govern our nation. Allow me to register our disappointment as a coalition over the NDC leader, Dr. Chimba Kambwili. I watched his address yesterday, in which he underplayed and said he cannot attend lecture in memory of this great son of the soil because there is nothing to remember Chiluba for. Let me remind Dr. Kambwili that what you see PF doing today, it is riding on the strong foundation left by the MMD. What the MMD did, it was based on the strong foundation the UNIP government did. That if we fail to recognize the leadership of previous leaders that offered themselves to govern this nation, then we are wrong leaders to aspire for leadership. For me, I now can't trust Dr. Chimba for any leadership in this nation because he can't see what other leaders have done. For him, in President Chiluba, what he sees is stealing. For him, in President Lungu, what he sees is stealing. We wasted 3 to 4 years of Chiluba trials and subsequently acquitted. The man was acquitted, and none of the people are talking about that the man is innocent because he has gone with a tag of being a thief. We should not allow this country to go through more, especially for Christians that offer themselves to be in leadership. It is for this reason that Christian Coalition strongly stand with President Lungu on his decision to stand with leaders who have been perceived that they have stolen or they have plundered. Let us allow the investigations wings of government. We allow the courts to pronounce themselves on those matters they are perceived or those allegations. Then we can tag our leaders. We can tag our brothers. We can tag those that we perceive to be thieves when courts pronounce them guilty. In the absence of that, it will be wrong to tag anyone as criminal, as plunderer at the moment. President Lungu, your decision is in the best interest of this nation because we have seen leaders scandalized, and when they are acquitted, even the medias that were putting headlines, Post was writing 6 to 7 months about Chiluba thieves, Chiluba stole this, Chiluba stole that. When he was acquitted, they said nothing. In other tabloids, it was just a small news on the last page that Chiluba finally set free because they were guilty, because their editorial comments were clearly that the man was guilty. Zambians, we need, as we look forward to our day of national prayer and repentance, I hope and pray that we are going to pray that Chiluba's soul forgive the Zambian people, because we mistreated him, we paid him with evil despite his able leadership. And it does not make any meaning that today we are singing songs of praise that he was a good leader when we fail to stand with him. Let us stand with leaders whilst they are alive, so that they are able to see that this one and that one, they are on my side during this difficult time. Good morning.